Computer science. Have you heard of computer science before? You have? Do you know what it means? What does computer science mean? You don't know. So computer science is basically how this thing works. This computer. It's all of these like lights, how the lights work, right? How the screen lights up, right? How the inside runs inside, right? So all of these things together help the computer work. And the way that we learn about those things is called computer science, right? So the way that we can learn about that is by looking at something called code. Now, do you know anything about code? No. What do you think code, like the word code, what does that mean? So code can mean like a secret, right? Like, let's say you had like a code mission. Have you heard of that word before? Like code? No? Like, let's say you have like a spy, right? There's like this spy looking guy. Let's give him like a hat, okay? There's a weird looking guy. So
it's a spy stick man.
Yes, so he has a secret, okay? And that secret, okay, is what we call a code, okay? And that code, okay, can be anything, okay? It can be like, when I say anything, I mean anything, okay? It can be shapes, right? It can be numbers, right? It can be letters, right? It can be hand gestures, right? Or it can be even pictures. So like, say we had like, I don't know, some picture of somebody, okay, in this little frame, okay? So it can be.
Oh, there's only one eye as an alien.
One eye. Actually, I can make two, maybe two.
Okay.
Okay. So so that's what we mean by code. We mean that it's anything that we can use in order to create a message. Okay. So what do we want to say to somebody as a message? What is it that we want to communicate to them? We can communicate greetings like hello, goodbye, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We can say, what time is it? Right? What time is it? What else can we communicate?
I can tell you a question very quickly. So every box I finish, we're going for a heart on top.
Okay, a heart on top? Okay, we'll do that. So what else, like, let's say you were talking to your friend, right, on the playground. What do you want, like, what do you talk to them about?
I mainly talk about them about, like, playing different games.
Like, do you play, like...
You play hide and seek.
Hide and seek?
Tag.
Okay. So what do you say, like, let's say they're hiding and you want to find them. Yeah? So what would you call out to say?
I would call out, where are you?
Where are you? Yes. So, right. So where are you? Right. So all of these things that we talk to each other, we can communicate those actually by typing them into a computer. And that computer
We have 11 now.
11. Okay. 11 now. Okay. So now let's check. So with the same idea, okay. So with the same idea, let's think about what do we want to ask the computer? So let's say we want to ask the computer a question. Like if you could ask, let's say the computer had like a face and eyes, right?
Yeah.
And you can like see it, right? And it can move, right? What would you say to the computer?
I would say.
Like what would you ask? Like are you curious about like how does the computer generate a picture on the screen? Would you ask like how do these lights, like can you see like the lights underneath? So do you know how these light up? You don't know. Could you ask the computer how does it do that? Yes.
You could just ask Google.
You could just ask Google.
You can ask Google, that's right, but each computer is different. We need a universal way by which we can ask each computer that we own, because your computer is different from my computer, right? So how could I ask your computer what I want to know? How could I do that? Do you know?
Yeah.
How? So the way we do that is by writing programs.
I know that.
So what is a program? So imagine you have like, okay, let's say you have Like, for example,
Whoa,
like like a monster just eating. Okay, so let's say we have a simple program, right? So let's say we have, so a program is just a file, okay? So let me just draw like a little file. So imagine these are just words, okay?
that's how I write.
Yes, that's how I write too. I'm a very messy writer as well. So all of this inside here is words, okay? So that is this piece of paper, like it's a piece of paper, but it's on the computer. So it's a document. Okay, so let me show you an example, okay, of a program. So if you look on the screen, okay, this white piece of paper, this is like the paper, okay? And all we're doing is we're just writing a message here that says, what does it say in the message? Can you read that?
No, I can't read it.
No? Okay, so let's do it one by one. So what does this say?
I don't know.
So it's HELLO. So what does that spell? Hello. Hello. What does this say? Do you know?
Tub.
Tub. Okay. So let's see. So what's this letter? What's that letter? W. And what's this letter? O. R. So let's sound them out. So world. World. There you go. There you go. So all together. So let's say that together. So
It says hello world.
World. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now, So now put your your line in there. Okay. Saying hello world, right?
Yeah.
And we can change this to anything we want.
Wait. We can change it to word hello.
Yes. Okay. So let's erase.
We can just copy that.
You can copy it, but then what do you have to do? You have to flip them around, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to put
So-
this one here.
Yes, that's right. So world hello. So now it still says hello world though.
Yeah.
Why is it still saying hello world?
Because there's a hello and still a world.
Yes, but why is it in this order? Why is it hello world when we've changed it already? So why is it still saying hello world? This green button here, it says run, right?
Yeah.
So run is gonna make the changes to this sentence here. So now if we click run, what's gonna happen now? Now that we've changed it.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, let's run it and see what happens, okay?
Okay.
You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3. It's running, it's loading.
Is this hello world?
It says, what does it say? It says,
Hello.
world hello.
Huh? Hello.
Because we just changed it. We
World
just changed
hello.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that we've done that, do you want to type in something that you want to put on the
So I
screen?
don't know how to write.
You don't know how to type?
Okay, now we're going to do some 19s.
19?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, do you want to type anything that you want to say? Say like,
Maybe I would say.
my, let's say-
I would say I love you.
I love you. Okay.
Yeah,
You want to type it in?
Okay.
type it
I know
in.
how to. So I'll do the Y.
Okay.
Okay, do the Y. Wait. Y. And then,
So
then you have to do a space.
we want to say, okay, so we want to say, I
Love you.
love you. Okay. So let's do this on a new sheet of paper. Okay. So what's the first letter in the sentence?
Y.
Y?
That's the
Is
first
it
letter
Y?
of my name.
It's the first letter of your name, but is that what we want to say in the
Wait, but I
sentence?
want to say I love you, so it would be L.
The first letter of love is L.
Yes.
But then what becomes before L?
Before L. Ah.
I. Yes. So it's I, and then L, and then what comes after L?
L-O-E-E. Ah.
L.
O.
You got it, yeah?
E. I get it.
L.
It's I-L-O-V-E.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I did the Y.
I-
So now I did the A.
Yes. So now, so it's I love you, right? Isn't that what we wanted to
Yeah.
say? I love, and then Y
Y-O-U.
O U. Yes.
Okay, so I did the
So now
I did the Y and the L.
you did the Y and the L. Okay. So
And
I think we should type in these letters. Don't you think? Yeah. Okay. So let's. Okay. So where is I on the keyboard? Where is I?
I is right here.
Okay. So we press I. Wait.
Ah,
I.
I.
And then we do a space, right? Because we want a space.
Yeah, but where's the space?
The space is.
Oh.
Oops. Sorry. Space is here. Yeah.
And then we do L.
Yeah.
L. O. V.
L-O-V-E.
V. Okay, L. Oh, okay. O. O. V. Where is V? Where in front of V? V. E.
E.
In front of E.
And then a space.
And then Y. O. U. Y. O. I'm even to you myself. You.
There
I
we
love
go.
you.
And we can and oh, but what about this? We're missing this though.
Oh yeah. Where is it?
What is this though? What is this?
It's
It's a X.
exclamation.
Nation. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
where
right.
is it? Where
Okay,
is it?
so where is that on here? Can you find it?
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
I'll give you a clue. It's on the left side
On
of the
the
key.
left side.
I'll give you another clue.
Wait.
It's in the yeah, that's the one. But it's a one. Why is it a one? Do you know why?
Well,
Why is it a
it
one?
says one.
It says one, but it also has the exclamation. So how can it be an exclamation and a one? The
I
same
don't
thing?
know.
You don't know? So the reason why is because this key takes two values in that key. Okay? So now if we backspace, now how do we get that exclamation mark?
I don't know.
Okay. So do this for me. Hold down the shift. Hold down the shift for me.
This one?
Mm-hmm. And then click the exclamation mark.
Ah.
What happened there? It did too many. Way too many. We'll have to change this to 2 now. Okay. So now, what does it say? So now it says, I love you. Yes. So now we can run it, right? Do you want to run it? You want to click run? Or you want me to? Yeah? Okay. So now it's loading. Now.
Yeah.
Wow! You wrote your first code. Your first program. Wow! Pick some numbers for us and then let's add them together. So what numbers do you want to pick?
I want to pick. I want to do 1 and 2 zeros.
A 1 and a 2 zeros. Okay.
1.
And the 2
Zero,
zeros.
zero.
Okay.
100.
100. That's right. And so now, how do we add them? We have to use the plus sign. Right?
Yeah.
Where is that on here? Do you see that? Somewhere.
Wait, let me see.
Yeah. Somewhere.
Wait, there's a plus and an equal.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what if I press this and this?
What happens?
Wait,
Try
but
it.
last time.
Try it.
Ah!
Oh my god! So many! Okay, so we have plus. Okay, now what else we need another number, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know what number I want.
Okay,
I want 6 and 7.
6 and 7. Okay, so before we run that, what do you think the answer is going to be before we run it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's look at it here. So let's say we have 100, yeah, and then we have plus 67.
7.
Yeah. So how do we do this? Do you know?
No.
Okay, so there's a 0 here, right? But when we add the 6 to the 0, it includes the 6.
Oh yeah.
So it's 100, and the answer to this is 0 plus 6 is 6, right? Yeah, because the 0 is
Wait,
it's gone.
I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know that.
You know that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about 0 and plus 7?
Oh, it's 7.
It's 7. Yes. This digit, okay, is in the hundreds place. Okay, this is in the hundreds place, right? And this 6, the 6, is in the tens place. And the 7 is in the ones place. Okay.
I already know what's 10 plus 10.
What is 10 plus 10?
20.
Yes!
I already know 100 plus 100 is
What is it?
200.
Wow, okay. You were keeping that from me. What's 500 plus 500?
100. Bye bye. Talk. No. Bye everybody. I'll see you next week.